So what are some other cool reasons and ways that you can utilize this Plastiq service? Well, one of them is to hit your minimum spend when it comes to credit card bonuses. So we're going to dive into that in today's video. Hey everyone, it's Mike Adams, and on this channel we empower individuals to achieve freedom through improved financial literacy, business ownership, and real estate investing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to click subscribe, click the bell, so that way you get notified on any and all of our future trainings. So let me just jump on NerdWallet here. And what we're talking about in today's training is really just a couple of different hacks and different ways that you can utilize this Plastiq service to really hit your bonuses and hit your minimum spends on some of these different credit card rewards programs. And so obviously, we've talked about various different lines of credit on this channel. I'm just here on NerdWallet. And I was taking a look at some of these, we've talked about Quicksilver, great line of credit. And look at this, if you get this credit card, there's a one-time $150 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months of opening an account. Now, $500, on purchases, that's not too hard to get to, right? And for $150, that's pretty sweet, especially if you're able to pay that balance off in full every single month, which you should, okay? But let's say, to spend only $500 in 3 months, that's not a problem, and you can get that $150, okay? That is free money. That's what we like. But let's say you got something a little bit bigger. Okay, look at this one. This Capital One here, if you wanted to get their bonus, they're offering a one-time $300 cashback bonus after you spend $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. So if you're talking, $500, that's no problem. Just your cell phone over 3 months, that'll probably get you to $500. Your internet, that'll probably get you to $500. You're talking $3,000. We need to spend a little bit more money. You need to run a few more transactions through that card in order to get that bonus. And I've even seen on some of my larger lines of credit, $5,000, $10,000 minimum spend in order to get the bonus. Here's one here, Capital One Venture, 50,000 miles, sweet, once you spend $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months, okay? So again, if you're looking to hit your minimum spend to get your credit card bonus, okay, and this was just a few examples. It looks like this is all Capital One examples here. But again, all the different various credit cards that are out there that have really good rewards programs usually offer some type of initial incentive to get you using that card right away. Okay, so then from there, they will offer you some type of cash bonus. So through utilizing this Plastiq service, okay, so let's say you need to spend $3,000 in the next 3 months to get your 50,000 points. Okay, not only can you put your cell phone bill or your utilities on your credit card, but you could also go ahead and make your mortgage payment using your credit card. You could go ahead and make your car loan payment using your credit card. And now, yes, and then here's a whole list. You could pay your tuition, you could pay your utilities, you could pay contractors, you could pay all types of different vendors using this service, and it will get charged to your credit card as if it's a normal transaction. So it's not a cash advance, it's charged to the card as a normal transaction. And now to use the service, what you're paying is a 2.5% fee. So for every $1,000, okay, you want to pay your $1,000 mortgage payment or your $1,000 rent, okay, to put it on your card using the service, it's going to charge you a 2.5% fee or $25, okay? But again, if you're looking to get $300 in cash back, okay, or $150 in cash back, okay, is it worth it to pay a couple of $25 fees to get $300 in cash back over the next 3 months, okay? Again, some of these cards in and of themselves offer you cash back. Some of your, especially with rents, okay, a lot of landlords are offering a reduced rent if you pay early. Okay, so there's all kinds of different ways to really offset this 2.5% fee. But again, if you're looking to hit your minimum ad spend so that we can get that credit card bonus, using this service even in the short term, just so that we can get that credit card bonus, makes a lot of sense. And this is a great way to hit that minimum spend so that way you can get that bonus and get the maximum benefit out of that line of credit. So hopefully you guys found value in this quick tip and really just this quick idea around hitting your minimum spend on your credit cards to get those bonuses. Again, if you're looking for a way to use that credit card a little bit more, Plastiq allows you to pay all of typically your larger bills. Your mortgage or your rent is typically your largest bill of the month. This is a great way for you to pay that bill using a credit card, okay? And so if you're interested in using a service like this, okay, and in looking at this additional list here of ways to justify this 2.5% fee, if it is a service that you want to give a try, click the link. There'll be a link below this video. There's a free referral program where you can get fee-free transfers or fee-free use of the service, okay, through referring other people to this particular service. And it's a free program. Once you have your own account, you can sign up for it for free, and you have your own code that you can give to other people. My code and my link is below the video. So if you got value out of this training, make sure to check out my link when you set up your Plastiq service for yourself. So again, guys, hopefully you guys found value in this training. I'll see you in the next video.